So you can get your keys and go.
Please never do that ever again. Cyber Gray Metallic came in too?
Nope, didn't see it.
It's the 07.
I actually did see it pulling up earlier. I saw it at ZR1 wheels on it, so I wasn't sure if it was a Z07.
Maybe I saw the carbon ceramics.
Yeah, well, I couldn't see them from the camera. I just saw it on the camera.
And then I saw the roof.
I didn't see all that.
Well, you should get your vision checked.
I looked at it on the security camera as it was pulling in front as I was in my office.
Yeah, well, you should get some better cameras.
Put one in your f***ing office. Yes, another C6Z.
Heads cam, no aftermarket intake manifold.
Nope. This thing was stock when I got here, right?
Yep. Besides, of course, axle back.
It got Corsa on it?
It has Corsa axle back, yeah.
Does it have cats on it? It don't sound that loud. Actually, I'll tell you if it has
I
cats
don't
on it
think
right
it does
now.
have cats. It did when it came in.
Yeah, it does.
Does it? Okay. Yeah, it explains some of the smell.
Nah, it just wasn't that loud.
Yeah. Big, really good power for baseline.
What'd it make?
I think, I want to say like 480 or something.
Okay.
It was on the high side. Of ones I've seen, without like Henderson and intake.
It's that Corsa, son. Corsa should pick up at least 77.
Is that what they said?
Yeah, right around there.
Okay.
In between 76 and 78, they say.
Oh.
Yeah.
Sick.
So right around 77.
just something you don't see very often.
According to Aaron, you do.
What?
He said this color is just as common as any other. Red, yellow, whatever.
No. Dude, we see like 10 red C6Zs for every one cyber gray.
I know.
And like JSB and like... No, dude, he's on
Dude, I've
crack.
worked here for a year, and this is the third one I've seen.
Yeah, no. He's on crack. So, this is going to be a stressful kind of week. Cruise week is this week. We got a lot of stuff to get out and get done, including the top secret project that you guys haven't seen. You will see that after cruise week. But for now, the Nova's going on the dyno. He picked 5. He couldn't pick a winner for this giveaway license plate thing, if you guys were following back then. I'm going to put his top 5 picks in a hat and just pick out one of them because he couldn't decide between 5. So that's what we're going to do. Sound good?
Sure.
I like Chicago, but I don't think many people are going to know what it is. Chicago. So just in time for cruise week, we got more of our merch in stock. Lanyards.
Yeah. Bunch of different key tags.
Key tags, lanyards. Oh yeah.
Send them.
It was like 100 pounds of stuff in a 5-pound box. Jesus God.
Yeah, it is. They are stuffed in there. It's the logo on one side and then this on the other.
I like it. I rock one.
So you can get your keys and go.
Please never do that ever again.
Hey, look.
I use lanyard for everything. I like it. Key tags are cool too.
The
Black,
font
red.
is very generic on the key tags.
Well, it's just supposed to be.
Oh, it's just like the Raceburg Motorsports. It's like
Whatever.
just very generic.
It's easier to read.
Times Roman
Times Roman's like stupid. These are Arial or whatever.
Areola.
Areola. Yeah.
Oh,
Arial.
that's a good font. Areola.
See, now you like the font.
It's a
like
good
it.
one. Send your areolas.
You're gonna bring a lot of those with you.
Send your areolas.
Send dudes. Yeah. You gotta bring quite a few of these to Ocean City.
Yeah.
It's about the time people are watching, they can order. Golly. All right, now that we have the twin turbo Nova on the dyno, we've got our hat with his 5 suggested plate ideas that he liked the most. So we're gonna have Matt here pick them. For now, let's show you what they are. All right, I lied. There's 6. So these are the plates that he picked. He couldn't decide between these, so Matt's gonna go from there and figure it out. All right, Matt, fold them up, put them in the hat. Let's pick a winner. Just fold them in half. So if you don't see your suggestion, I'm sorry.
You didn't get picked.
You've got a 1 out of 6 chance of winning a hat. Or not a hat, a t-shirt. I think he said a t-shirt. I think he said t-shirt. Shut up, Eric.
All right.
All right. Shake them up real good and good like. All right, go ahead. Reach on in there. Pick one out.
There it is. Splatoint.
I don't get it. SL. I don't get it.
I need help. Slipknot?
I don't know.
We should pick another one.
Well, that's the one that wins the t-shirt. I mean,
I hope he doesn't choose it. I have stuff to do. Thank you.
I don't know if he's actually going to choose the plate, but that's the winner. Maybe whoever suggested it can say what it is.
Here, shoot us an email or something. I'm curious.
I'll have to go back in the other video and see who the winner is. I'll put his name or her name down below.
I would have called it white cocoa.
I like Chicago. Chicago is the best.
Chicago's good.
Yeah, the bat from Ace Ventura.
What type of bat are we talking about here? The great white bat, of course. Crepuscular Chirapera. Yes, but to the natives, Shikaka. Shikaka.
Maybe sleep on it. I think that's what it is. Sleep on it. Sleep on it, I guess.
Cream pie.
He didn't pick that though, did he?
No, he didn't even pick cream pie.
I know. Obviously, he wouldn't pick cream
Cocaine
pie.
would be a good one. I mean, I would have picked cream pie.
Cream pie is pretty good.
Yeah, I know.
Maybe he'll make that his
Then
actual-
old guys would be like, "Oh, it's a cream puff." Like, no, no.
Well, Eric has done the secret project that's no longer over there. It's on the dyno. You guys can't see that until after Ocean City. It's another reason this video is going to be really short, but you have a lot of stuff to look forward to next week. And we're doing another heads cam.
No.
What?
Another head.
Oh, just heads?
This heads.
Oh. So everybody, except for Matt and I, are going to cruise week. Eric's going to cruise week, no invite. Fran's going to cruise week, no invite. Matt and I got to stay and work. You know, must be nice.
I gotta come back Friday though. I mean, I'm not gonna be down there.
Yeah, but you're not going to be at work.
Yeah, I gotta come back Friday, but I'm going back down Friday.
You know what? You're a real scumbag. Real scumbag. So, also no video on Friday. So, blame
It
him.
sucks because
Blame him.
I was hoping it was nice Friday because so they could go out racing.
I'm going to call you at 3 a.m. and say, wake up.
Oh, believe me, they're all already planned. So expect the
I'm
call.
turning my phone off.
Everybody's texting me.
I'm turning my phone off. So, Matthew, what are your plans for this weekend?
I don't know. It's probably just gonna rain all weekend like it always does.
Saturday will be nice. So we still do hard and push rods, BTRs on just replacing the heads?
Yeah. New lifters, hard and push rods.
Obviously they come with all valves and all that stuff already done. So.
Yeah.
Okay. I figured as much. I just want to know how this thing has silver headlights on a gray car. I don't understand. They look brand new.
Well, clearly somebody added them.
Yeah, but I don't. That's like the opposite of what everybody else does. Usually everybody changes them to black. Maybe we got them for a really good deal or something. So we got the heads off, cleaning the engine. Any gasket residue. People have actually asked a few times what we use.
Razor blade.
Razor blade.
That's it.
Razor blade, or maybe a little 2+2 or...
Yeah, razor blade, brake clean, whatever. You don't want to use anything abrasive though and getting into the machine marks of the head or the block.
We've seen a few people who have done that. We've seen some people who have taken whiz wheels.
Alright.
Whiz wheels to aluminum blocks.
The only thing I've changed since the last time I ran it was the injector, so
Which you do not want to do.
should be.
So new head's going on. You got your new lifters already in.
I hope so.
Trays, well, the trays are on.
And they're bolts.
Yeah, and the bolts, so
It's a big plus.
it's true. You excited for your next project? The
Yeah.
white 6th gen? Pistons, Pro Charger, all that?
Rods.
I'm looking forward to it. It's gonna be sick. Well, unfortunately, I'm gonna have to end it right there. I know, I'm sorry, I apologize. We have a lot to do before Cruise Week. We have a lot of cars to get out, including that top secret project. You guys will see that after Cruise Week. The whole debut was for this weekend. We have to get that done. So fortunately, I can't put it in this video as well as the Nova. You'll have to stay tuned, subscribe, check it out next week. And for some of you, we'll see you guys down at Cruise Week. Also, don't forget the new merchandise is in stock on the website, raceprovenmotorsports.com. We've got those 3 different key tags in both red and black, as well as the new lanyards. And I also put an America grab bundle on there for 20 bucks. You get basically a whole bunch of stuff, stickers, key tag or lanyard, pop socket, all that good stuff. Check it out, raceprovenmotorsports.com. We will see you guys next week.